Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Today we are shipping out a ice cream trailer. This one is going to one of the mountain towns around here. It is a 14-foot trailer and it's got many interesting features. Let me show them around. Of course, like all our trailers, this one too is a seamless trailer. Seamless in that none of the panels are screwed or riveted together. That means the trailer would last for a very long time. And it's of course wrapped in this very beautiful theme. The customer wanted to save a little bit of money, so we only wrapped the sides of the trailer. The back and the front, as you can see, is not wrapped. Double axle trailer, of course, heavy duty axles. You can see the number of lugs on it. Counting the number of lugs on it will tell you the capacity of it. Now that is the generator box. Opens, stays up, and the generator is inside. They are of course on sliders, which you can pull out and access. Of course, we also ship this heavy duty wire with it and a connector, of course, with it, so the customer can connect it to a building if they need to. In this case, they are going to do that. Back is kind of different in that it's got a ram door. That means it's a ramp, it falls and it forms a ramp. But it also has a man door built in. Now that is an RB door, like so. That has a screen on it because the code requires that all surfaces inside are all screened in. This side is the service window. Now you will see this does not have self-closing windows. They are screens like so. This county in which the trailer is going to be in does not require self-closing windows on an ice cream trailer. It has shelf as well, outdoor shelf, LED lights on the outside. This is how you would drain the water. That's how you would fill the water. Right now you can see the trailer is connected to our building. Right now it's on 110 volt supply, but the trailer is capable of accepting 220 as well. Now you will see this door is blocked. Usually this is not the case. Customer requested this. Now again, they spoke with the fire marshal, and the fire marshal is okay with having this door blocked. Usually in every trailer that we build, there is an ingress and an egress. Let's go inside. The floor is, of course, aluminum diamond plate, all nice and shiny. There's a freezer on this side and the large soft serve machine. We love Taylor soft serve machines. 3-pole machine. Now, electrical is probably the most important thing, in my opinion, in a food trailer or a food truck. You can see every piece of equipment here has its own breaker. This is so that, let's say there's one of these lights or the air conditioner there is to break, it does not take out this really expensive soft serve machine. All the wiring is inside conduits, heavy duty of course. This is so that in case something happens to wiring tomorrow, it's easy to access. Also, if it was inside the walls would rub onto the wiring and eventually cause issues. Not in this case, obviously. There is a merchandiser refrigerator here, 2 shelves on top, and the serving window. Table 1, table 2, table 3, and a snow wizard. Customer again requested that this not be bolted down. They want to actually take it down and stow it away if they need to. They also had us put in a mop sink, which is there. The 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink, and a glass rinser. Oh, I almost forgot the sandwich prep. All equipment here are mounted to the floor with washers. Idea is that nothing ever shakes loose over time. Now the generator box, as of always, is boxed in, and we make it into a table. So you can use that as a prep surface, storage surface, that kind of thing. Hand wash sink, of course, comes with a splash guard. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food trailer that we are shipping out to a mountain town here in Colorado. Oh, I almost forgot to show. Here is an air conditioner with heat. If you have any questions, or if you would like a trailer or truck like this, contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.